So most people solve this question like 5 minus 10. So 5 minus 10 is equal to minus 5, right? Then again 5 minus 10. So 5 minus 10 is equal to also minus 5. Now minus 5 times minus 5. So minus 5 times minus 5 is equal to 25, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question here we have subtraction, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis, right? So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. So now 5 minus 10. Now solve this parenthesis. 5 minus 10 is equal to minus 5. So times minus 5, right? Now here we have subtraction, here multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication. Then we have to solve subtraction, right? So 5, now solve this multiplication. Minus 10 times minus 5 is equal to plus 15. So 5 plus 50 is equal to 55, right? So the correct answer is 55. If you like this solution, then please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.